Mining operations run in some of the world's most hazardous environments. From massive haul trucks and heavy machinery to blasting zones and underground activities, maintaining safety and operational visibility is a constant challenge. That's where viAct transforms your existing CCTV network into an intelligent AI-powered mining operations platform. You can choose from over 200 AI modules that help you detect potential collision risks before they become serious incidents, maintain safe separation between workers and moving vehicles, prevent unauthorized access to hazardous drill and blasting zones, reduce fall and geotechnical hazards near pit edges and high walls, protect workers operating around heavy excavation equipment, improve safety around moving conveyor systems and transfer points, enhance worker visibility in underground and confined environments, ensure workers wear the required PPE in high-risk areas. All of this is brought together in 6 powerful AI packages: vehicle control, ergonomics, behavioral safety, area control, PPE detection, and housekeeping. Together, they deliver a unified view of safety and operations across your entire mining site, helping identify risks earlier, improve operational awareness, and support faster, data-driven decision-making. Run multiple AI modules from a single camera or scale a single AI module across every camera on your mining site, depending on your operational needs. Built on years of real-world industrial data, the system is trained to recognize patterns and risks with a high degree of consistency, even in complex, fast-moving environments. Every insight contributes to a bigger picture, helping you align safety practices, workforce well-being, governance compliances with evolving ESG expectations. There's no complicated setup. Start by choosing what matters most for your operations from the module list. Connect your current camera network. From there, the system continuously reads live activity and highlights what needs attention, so your team can respond faster and smarter. Whether your preference is centralized monitoring or keeping everything within your facility, deployment is flexible, designed to fit your infrastructure, not the other way around. All activity translates into clear, usable insights, from safety performance to operational trends, giving you a sharper view of how your facility runs day to day. Because improving a mining site isn't about watching more, it's about understanding more.